Hello and welcome to day 118 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. What if I told you you don't even need to build your automation manually anymore? Instead, you can simply mention what are you looking to automate and AI will do the rest. Yes, Zapier now offers AI-powered workflow builder where you just enter plain text prompt like send a welcome email when a new lead fills the form, and it will automatically create the automation for you. You just have to connect your accounts, test it, and all done. In today's video, we will explore how to use Zapier's AI builder to create automation, editing and refining AI-powered workflows, testing the automation, and making improvements. By the end of this video, you will know how powerful AI-powered automation can be. Let's get started. Now, one of the reasons why people love Zapier is because they keep innovating, right? So they started with Zap, which is the automation that we have been discovering since the last couple of weeks. Okay, they've come up with tables where you can store data and retrieve the data as needed. We have got something called interface, which is meant to build apps, forms, and pages. Then they've got chatbot, which is AI-powered chatbot. They've also got Canvas, which is for process visualization. Hopefully, we'll be able to cover a lot of this in the coming days. But for this series, we will not be able to cover this and we will stick to Zap. Okay. But what we want to cover today is if you click on Zap, right? When you're creating a Zap, there are two ways. One, you build it from scratch, or you use Zapier's Copilot. Okay. So for example, if you want to connect two platforms, right? You can say, I want to send data from Gmail to Google Sheets and just click on send. Zapier's Copilot will do the heavy lifting and get the automation done for you. Okay. So it says Gmail, AI by Zapier and Google Sheets, right? So click on plus, it will come here. Okay. You have to connect your account, new email. All of this is already set, right? Just go to test and you can test the trigger. Right, you have fetched some information. Now, if you want this one, you can click on plus, right? AI by Zapier is there. Click on this one. So prompt, we need to give the prompt. We can mention like, get a summary of the email body, right? And I can use the plus symbol to get the body, right? So body plane is here. So let's use that one. And once that is done, click on continue and test step, okay? Summary of the email body. Ritesh welcomes new members to the ABCD community and so on and so forth. Okay, the final thing is Google Sheets. Click on this one and you connect your Google Sheets. You can add the action, which is create spreadsheet row. The account has already been created. Click on continue, configure it like we have already seen, and your automation is done, right? And even if you have any trouble, you can chat with Copilot to see how to figure this out. Isn't this amazing? AI will help you build the automation that you need with Zapier. And just like that, we let AI do the heavy lifting for us. Instead of manually setting up each step, you can now type a very simple request and Zapier's AI will build the workflow within seconds. Now here's your challenge. Use Zapier's AI and build one of the automations that you have been looking for and see what it comes up with. Let me know in the comments below how well it worked for you. Tomorrow, we're getting creative again with AI. This time, we will generate Instagram quote posts automatically and publish them using automation. And if you're enjoying this journey, tag a friend or colleague who would love to automate their work without coding. That's all for today. See you in the next one.